Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use marketing automation in your Shopify store with the Converted-In app. And it's all about automation, not only to save time, but to get some really powerful wins for your e-commerce store. And this could be the missing piece to your business. I'm going to show you how to implement this. And really, this is all about stopping guessing, right? We don't want to make assumptions. We don't want to guess. We don't want to do those types of things when we make decisions or strategies for our business. We want to use automation and customer insights directly together to scale up our store. And it's a very popular strategy. Right? The idea here is just not making blind decisions. Instead, we're going to be data-driven. We're going to have personalized and automated marketing campaigns that convert really highly, that leverage data, and that understand shoppers' insights. That's going to really create that perfect buying environment. That's going to drive conversion rate through the roof, and it's going to drive sales consistently for our business. But there are some pain points that you might run into when you're trying to implement this strategy. First and foremost, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. They should definitely have it, but they don't. You're going to need to use an app to do this. I'm going to show you the app that I use. It needs to be easy to use, require no prior experience, require no technical skills. You don't need to be a coder or a programmer to implement these really cool automations. And the app must allow for cross-channel automations, right? Ads, very important. SMS, very important. Email, very important. Those two often go hand in hand. So the app that I use and what I'm going to show you handles everything all at once, and it's called Converted-In. And you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. This is what I use. This is what my students always use. And it's really all about creating that multi-channel marketing that works hand in hand with deep customer insights. That's why it converts so well. That's why these automations and these strategies really work. And you see the link directly below this video. Here's the Converted-In app over here. We're going to actually go through this in the back end. I'll show you exactly kind of how everything works, but you're going to have a really cool dashboard where really everything fits into this one platform, from data to SMS, ads, email. Here's their website over here, Converted.in, talking about the e-commerce marketing infrastructure. And they've built that infrastructure. They're going to add it onto your store. And you see some of the massive names that are using Converted-In: Facebook, Bridgestone, Fit and Flex, IKEA, right? So massive brands. Huge marketing campaigns going through these to create these dynamic ads, to create these auto segmentations, to go SMS and email, to leverage the data that is inside of this platform. Powerful product recommendation engine. There's so much that you can do with Converted-In. You see that there's tons and tons of positive testimonials and reviews because they do such a good job of creating that ecosystem inside of your brand, multi-platform, multi-channel, where we're constantly driving sales. So all you need to do, come over here, click request a demo or create a free account. I'm going to show you inside of Converted-In, show you exactly how powerful it is and how you're going to be able to use this to scale your store. You're looking at Converted-In, and I'm inside of a demo account back here, and you're going to see exactly why it's so powerful. This is all about omni-channel marketing automation, and we're going to do everything right inside of this platform. And this is built for e-commerce stores, marketers, and media buyers. So you're going to be able to do a lot of different things in here. And we have ads automation, SMS and email automation, product recommendation engine. You see all the different kind of features out here. And we're going to be able to run through all these different types and have the ability to kind of manage everything inside of this one dashboard. We can look at all of our Facebook campaigns, all of our Snapchat campaigns, all of our TikTok campaigns, right? Literally right inside of these channels. And we'll see the data load right inside here. For example, we could take a look at our Facebook information, load that inside of this dashboard. And this is one section. Again, we're going to have everything inside. So let's say we wanted to have our campaigns or even creating campaigns. We could do that directly inside of here. And you see that we're going to be able to kind of connect all these. We'll be able to start campaigns in different platforms. We'll be able to connect all of our accounts in the social connection process that allows us to have all of our accounts in here automatically. So when we create ads and Converted-In, they'll just get published in whichever channel we decide. And it's incredibly powerful. And the best part is they're going to automatically use the audiences that you have. So let's say you have shopper data, if you have customer audience or customer list in your Shopify store, Converted-In is going to automatically launch retargeting ads based on that buying history. So all we literally need to do is just start campaigns, just make those connections. We're going to get going. And if you don't have any existing audiences, Converted-In will generate audiences and make sure that you have lookalike audiences, build that out all for you automatically. So really it's kind of done for you. And that's just one of the different sections. We could talk about email and SMS as well. And when we talk about email, we're going to be able to have this kind of go hand in hand with SMS. And of course, both of them are very personalized notification ways to drive sales and boost engagement. We're going to be able to have both of these combined. And inside of these sections, we could do things like automations, where we can go set up abandoned cart automations, or even first welcome. We can come over here and set all of these up. These will be part of the same platform, and they're going to be able to work hand in hand with your email campaigns as well. So of course we have email automations. We'll be able to go through and have all of the different ways that we'll be able to reach them. We have flow builders, one-time sends if we just want to do a blast, perfect for something like a flash sale, right? Everything gets handled right inside of here. Now, another really cool thing, product recommendations. And this is really cool because this is a feature that's going to drive sales at a very high rate, because once you really understand what your customers want, right, what they frequently buy, what they check out together, what they bundle together, what's trending, right? We see all these different kind of options over here. That's going to give us the ability to have such a huge level of understanding in terms of what we should offer, what we should spend money on in terms of advertising, and really the list goes on and on. This is an incredibly powerful setup right here in terms of the product recommendation campaigns. So you're going to be able to jump into this as well. They have a great help center as well. You can learn all about Converted In and basically all the different ways that you're going to be able to start reaching those perfect customers all in this one platform. Of course, we have our configurations over here, social connection, where you'll come in over here and connect all of your social media accounts, like your Facebook ad account, TikTok account, Snapchat, Google Ads, whatever you're using, you'll hook it up right into here. And really, it's incredibly powerful. I'll come back over here to the command center, kind of your home base. You're going to see your total customer count, your total lifetime value of these customers. You see, of course, your total revenue and all that stuff. Being able to even see your segments over here. How many people bought this dress, this dress, this dress, right? Actually seeing the data on an individualized product basis down to the even SKU, where you can see revenues per product. So the idea is that you're going to have a full picture of what's going on while being able to launch these automated campaigns, whether it's paid ads, SMS, email, even that product recommendation engine, to really take advantage of deep data dive that Converted In does. So really, really great. If you're looking for a way to have those advanced customer segments that are going to lead to those high converting sales, this is going to help you do that automatically. And really, it's kind of just built in. And there are really just tons and tons of features over here. And we're talking about being able to see an uplift of up to 270% in revenue uplift. That's what some of Converted In's stores have been seeing over here. It's all about boosting customer retention. It's all about having that customer lifetime value and average order value increase to a point where we're going to be sending SMS campaigns automatically, email campaigns automatically, and just driving that engine, right? We're seeing ROAS of over 20x compared to the original store after adding Converted In. Just some of the many success stories. A lot of stores reducing their average customer acquisition. You can see why. We have all these different features at hand to kind of go ahead and launch into our market. So this is kind of the power of it. Very easy to use. You just kind of click through. First thing to do would just be connect your social accounts. Then you could launch these social media campaigns as quickly as just coming down here and clicking Start Campaign. You're going to be able to just walk through, say, hey, I want to find new customers. And it's going to be simple as that. We can literally just kind of go through here. There's all these different types of audiences, all these different types of ways, what they call prospecting or top of funnel marketing, right? Just going to be done for you, right? And this is going to take a massive load off. And this is just ads, right? We also have SMS and email, all automated, all through the Converted In platform. That's why it's so powerful. So that was Converted In and the Converted In app over here on Shopify. Again, highly recommended. You see the links directly below this video. Get this in your store. Watch how fast you're going to be able to scale your business with these cross-channel marketing campaigns and automations. Again, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. All you need to do, get this in your store, get it set up as you saw in the video, and I hope this helps you make some money. Talk to you real soon.